In these corona times, India has reached many countries by effectively supplying vaccines and getting them out of trouble. The pandemic is a humanitarian crisis, and India has always done heavy lifting in helping with international humanitarian crises. Expediting all possible measures and removing roadblocks to tackle the challenges thrown up by the pandemic, India's vaccination drive has crossed the mark of 14 crores in the country. The central government has taken several measures to boost the availability of vaccines within the country. The indigenous vaccine development in the country has also come to the aid of many nations across the globe. India has supplied Made in India COVID vaccines to more than 90 nations. India has focused on tremendous research activities for the welfare of the country and society at large. A global leader in vaccine innovation, Bharat Biotech and Indian Council of Medical Research has announced Phase 3 interim analysis results of indigenously developed Covaxin. Covaxin has demonstrated overall clinical efficacy of 78% and efficacy of 100% against severe COVID-19 disease. To comprehend its meaning, let's get to know more about vaccine efficacy. Vaccine efficacy is an individual level measure made during a clinical trial. It provides information about how well a vaccine works under the conditions of the clinical trial. While vaccine effectiveness describes how well a vaccine works under real-world conditions once people outside of clinical trials receive the vaccine. For example, people of different ages or ethnicities, residents of different geographical locations, and subpopulations not studied at all, or studied in groups too small to produce precise estimates of vaccine efficacy. Now let's understand the prime logic behind clinical development of a vaccine. To determine the efficacy of a vaccine, it has to undergo necessary clinical trials. In Phase 1, small groups of people received the trial vaccine to evaluate the vaccine's safety and dosage. Whereas in Phase 2, clinical studies expanded and vaccines are given to people who have characteristics similar to those for whom the new vaccine is intended. Finally, in the third phase, vaccine is given to thousands of people and tested for efficacy and safety. Many countries globally have expressed their interest in India's Covaxin and are highly satisfied with the safe, inactivated vaccine technology and robust data package for safety and immunogenicity across the whole SARS-CoV-2. Covaxin has also received emergency use authorizations from several nations. To reach around 7 million doses per year, capacity expansion has been implemented across multiple facilities in Hyderabad and Bangalore. This is one of the largest production capacities for inactivated viral vaccines worldwide. Besides, Indian vaccines are the most affordable COVID-19 vaccines available in the market today. India's fight against COVID-19 has bolstered it to emerge as a world vaccine leader. Through vigorous research endeavors, India has inspired developmental activities in enormous nations. It has proved to the world that the essence of great leadership is influence, not authority. We will be back with more information. Thanks for watching.